Driver safety is more important than ever for fleets that power the physical economy. Insurance costs, collisions, and nuclear verdicts are all on the rise. KeepTruckin's proactive safety platform puts fleets back in control, helping them prevent accidents, protect their drivers, and lower costs. It all starts with our AI Dashcam, powered by the most advanced AI technology. It instantly detects unsafe driving behaviors with industry-leading accuracy and alerts drivers of critical events in real time. That precision means when your drivers get an alert, they know it matters. But we know safety departments don't have time to review every video. That's why we use advanced event intelligence technology and a team of in-house safety experts to analyze your videos within seconds. Managers get prioritized footage with rich, actionable insights, and drivers are automatically coached on correctable behaviors when they complete their trip. The Drive Risk Score analyzes billions of driving data points to help fleets put their risks in context, focus on their most pressing issues, and predict accidents 5 times more accurately. When our customers use KeepTruckin's AI-powered safety platform, they can see lower costs and 30% fewer accidents. Plug into the KeepTruckin network and come find safety in numbers.